Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Hostboxcse. Today I'm going to show about a interesting project in the real time regarding how to convert the pencil sketch through that is pencil sketch image through the Google Colab. So since many of the people don't know about Google Colab, it's a one very simple one. Google Colab is a one offered by Google only. If you have if you have Gmail account, you can log in immediately. So why we need Google Colab? Google Colab means there will be a lot of things is there. It's similar to a Jupyter notebook. So if you want to perform anything like if I write a Python code and execute step by step, you can go ahead with the Google Colab. So Google Colab one very simple one where you can execute the help of online only. So and also here the data saved in online. So whenever you want you or your team members or a programmer, you can work with the Google Colab. It will support many things like free GPU and no need to install anything. If you want, you can work with TensorFlow or any packages you can do. So this is a way, and also we can save the data. Whenever you want, you can save the notebook, and whatever you want, you can do share the notebook, and you can connect with the GitHub, anything you want to do. And if you're a data scientist, or else if you want to work with image processing, that time you can move on to the help of Google Colab. So plenty of things behind the Google app. Remember, all the data will be stored in the help of Google Cloud only. It's almost similar to Google document. Here the thing is, we can save the time. If our internet speed is good, we can carry forward the task. So here, how to do this one? So if you want to do this activity, that is first of all you download the image. That is called here I already downloaded the image called demo.jpg, where I download here and kept in the folder called d colon. There will be a mistake. Yeah, here. So the need is just you need one sample image. So you download image and keep in folder where you want the d colon, c colon. I'm going to show the real time only. But remember, if your internet speed is good, you can execute the program very fast. Any error, we can execute automatically. So it will connect to Stack Overflow here. So this is the image. I'm going to take it and convert to the sketch format. It's called demo. I'm going here. Demo. For time delay. So demo.jpg. Here. This is the one. Here. So we can execute step by step and very simple easy one. So here I told you just now. So that is called a demo.jpg. Let's press. Unfortunately taking time. So any image you can take it. So any image you can take and convert it. But here to go through this coding properly, Python coding. Here this image only I already stored in the d colon demo.jpg. So here to give the correct path, then only we can do the activity. That means operation converting the image color image to the pencil sketch format. So like this image I'm going to convert and show here. Yeah, successfully opened here. So step number one, import the packages. We can go carry forward that step like import CV2, then import matplotlib, pylab as plot. Then you can continue with from Google Colab, Google.colab.pages, import CV2 IM show. Then I'm giving from Google.colab import files. and then we can go for next one. So this diagram I'm showing here. So then step number 2, you can go for the definition. That means define the read file name. Then you give image, that is, yeah, this image I'm going to show here, and the image called cv.imreader file name. Then cv2 underscore im show image. Then return image. I'm going to give the line called uploaded. It's equal to files dot upload, and file name is called next up Jupyter uploader, then image is equal to read underscore file name. So if you work with a Jupyter, careful, you don't need to give all the lines here. Then you can give the execution path. So already I done, so I'm not to go execute here. So once you given means it will ask choose file. After choose file, you can give the file name that is called demo.jpg. Once you complete it, you will get the message like this. So that means the date and 100% done like this. The pixels, everything. So step number 3 for getting the pixels. So the algorithm detects the edges of the diagram and convert it. So I'm writing the code called dst underscore sketch. Then I'm writing dst underscore color sketch is equal to cv2 dot pencil sketch of image comma. So I'm giving the attributes like sigma s equal to 50 and sigma underscore r is equal to 0.07 and shared factor is equal to 0.08 and so on. On watercolor I'm giving like the cv2 dot stylization of image comma sigma underscore is equal to 50 underscore. I'm giving the measurements like this, and I'm going to continue the step number 4 and going to conclude it here. This actual code for remember when you write the code, you can just execute it. Your net speed is good. You will give tick mark, green tick mark immediately. That means the program everything correct here, and the project is correct. Then you can go for the fourth one, where I'm writing the code plt dot figure size equal to 20 comma 14, and I'm giving the subplot to 21 comma plt dot I'm show of cv2 dot cvt color of image and so on. So I am giving for converting the original image to the pencil sketch. So you can write the code here. So I'm running out. So I'm just saying the important. So pl dot I'm show of dst underscore sketch comma c maps equal to gray. That means when you give the gray color, whatever the color image it control the gray, and then plt dot off, then we will show plt dot title of pencil sketch and size equal 20. So if you want, you can execute the runtime. Remember, if you have any data set, you can go forward with the Google Colab. You can import the Google Colab and connect with the Python program, execute it. So this is a one. So once executed, we can get the image like this. So what are the image is there? We already uploaded. That image will convert to the sketch format, pencil sketch format. And one more code is there. Later I will tell you regarding suppose we want to again from pencil sketch to you want to make color, you can do it. For that also you can change here. So remember, step number 1, we are importing the packages. Then we can write the set the path, upload the image, order the image. Then we are writing the coding for conversion, and algorithm detect all the edges and cover all the entire image with the pixels. At last we are uploading. So I hope that you understand this way how to convert the given image into the pencil sketch. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.